Yes, we have brand new tires put on, and it appears to have had batteries put on it in 2024. A lot of work done on this coach in 2024, and you know I love this coach because it has the seamless slide outs on it too. Good afternoon, folks. Doug here with Soul Motor Coach. Yes, in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. It is really windy today, so we're going to get inside this one quick, but not before we get just a little bit of business out of the way. I can't wait to show you this one. It literally just rolled in last night. I opened this one up. I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to show you everything. This is a beautiful coach in excellent condition, and it's kind of an odd build for 2018. Today in front of you is a 2018 Tiffin Pheaton 40IH, the best floor plan, #1 selling floor plan even today. This is the XSH floor plan. That it stands for extended storage height. I'm going to pop one of these doors open and show you how tall that storage is. But it does two things. First, what that extended storage height does is give you more storage underneath the coach, taller, bigger bays. Next, what happens is inside it gives you a flat floor throughout the entire coach, and we're going to show you that when we get inside. Absolutely amazing coach in beautiful shape. Yes, we have brand new tires put on, probably somewhere in 2024. They are mid to late date codes of 23. Taking a wild guess, these tires are probably put on in 2024, making them all good to go. Obviously, we're going to do an inspection on the chassis to make sure there's no issues with the tires, but 6 brand new Michelins put on in 2024. We'll just go ahead and call it good on tires. We have 276 generator hours. This coach does have the L9 engine. It is on the Power Glide chassis. I just drove it up the road. It did absolutely fantastic. I got to figure out if this is the 380 or the 450. Stay tuned. I'll try to find that information out and put it towards the end of the video. And if I can't find that information, folks, inside, I'll get the build sheet from Tiffin, and you can just give me a call, and we'd be happy to send that build sheet to you. And like normal, I'm going to show you any negatives. There's one little scratch on the slide out here. You can't even barely see it. And there's one other scratch I'm going to show you here. Tiny little scratch. Well, I shouldn't say tiny little scratch. I don't know. No, that won't buff out. So this scratch right here, we will get that taken care of. We'll take it over to the body shop and let Skibbilly get after that one. But folks, other than a couple little scratches on this coach, I think it's in beautiful shape. And it appears to have had batteries put on it in 2024 as well. A lot of great stuff looks like was done in 2024, making this coach ready for travel once it goes through our inspection and PDI process. Let's check out these bays. Look how tall the storage is inside these bays. Yes, we have 2 slide out trays here. Huge amount of storage in this bay. And what luxury RV would be complete without an outside entertainment center with an LG smart television and an LG soundbar? Way up top there, I know the lighting is not great, but there is a armless side mounted awning on the coach that runs just underneath those 2 windows. The Carefree of Colorado armless awning side mounted on the slide out. And you know I love this coach because it has the seamless slide outs on it too. It's awful windy out here. Let's get inside this one and check it out. Well, welcome into this 2018 Tiffin Pheaton 40IH XSH floor plan. Yes, that stands for extended storage height, but it also means that the floor is flat back here, like I alluded to earlier in the video. And when we get back there, I'm going to show you, because we got to do this quick. I'm going to go through this pretty darn quick. Let me turn the camera around. Let's start up here at the dash. Let's work our way to the back, because I think you're going to find this floor plan to be extremely appealing. And the coach is in phenomenal shape. At the driver's helm here, you're going to find 2 captain's chairs that are in wonderful condition. I see no issues whatsoever. I'm not sold that these are the original. These could have been already recovered by Tiffin at some point or by somebody. But let's start up here at the dash as we have our typical in-dash navigation unit, Bluetooth connected radio with navigation, triple vision backup camera. We'll flip the dash on here and see triple vision backup camera with side view monitors and rear view camera. All that's working absolutely wonderfully. Also, we're going to have your Tiffin Power Glide chassis with the smart wheel. And we can check the miles here. Let's get you the exact miles. 42,200. It's so bright. The camera won't adjust, but 42,206 miles. Naturally, we're going to have HWH computerized hydraulic leveling. And above the driver's head is going to be our forward television. This is what we call over-the-road TV. And even though, yes, we can watch this television driving down the road from our sofa right here, I do enjoy having this TV up front. I just love the matte finish, dark wood cabinetry in this coach. But I know you clicked on this video to see this beautiful coach here. Check it out. Heated tile floors throughout the entire coach. Again, we talk about the XSH floor plan. We're going to talk about that when we get to the back here. We have a sofa here that does convert into a bed. This is a huge, massive sofa, extremely comfortable. Across from that, it's going to be our freestanding recliner. I can pull that recliner out, adjust it wherever I like, and I love the little corner table here. This can act as like a desk area or a table or whatever you need it to be. Also, if you don't like this, this can be removed, and there is room to put a smaller sofa right here. And yes, we're going to have this huge pop-up television on a televator here. I don't want to say that's probably like a 55-inch TV, and behind that's going to be a very nice size window. And right next to your entertainment center and your freestanding recliner is going to be our computer dinette workstation. I love this. Now, yes, those are covers on the chair. I did pull the covers back. The chairs were in excellent condition, so I think whoever owned this coach just had that extra level of precaution to keep everything nice and clean. And I love these slip covers on these chairs. They look wonderful. Digging into this computer dinette workstation, a lot of people don't know about it, but this is a little pull-out tray here. And there's going to be room and power underneath the cabinet for a computer or whatever you need to do there. And then a very nice size Corian countertop here with a power tower. Of course, that is extremely conveniently located right next to a very nice sized window. So if you're out working on the road, what better view to have than wherever you are right outside your window from your workstation. And across from that, it's probably going to be one of the most unique things about this coach. Starts right here. This is a propane coach, folks. This is not an all-electric package. Now, some would say that's a negative. Well, I would say that I'm okay with it. It wouldn't hurt my feelings to have to fill up propane, because when you have to fill up propane, that means you have no aqua-hot system, and you don't have to service that aqua-hot system. $500 a year minimum just to service it, and you have the combined maintenance cost of things that go wrong with the aqua-hot and the downtime. Just about any RV tech who's done any kind of RV training is going to be able to diagnose and repair those simple suburban propane heaters. I could go either way. I like an aqua-hot system. I think it's wonderful. This doesn't lack any other real options. You can tell whoever ordered this coach probably didn't want the cost and the expense and the stress of dealing with aqua-hot systems. So this is going to have propane furnace, a traditional like 10-gallon propane water heater, and then a propane cooktop. And folks, if you want more information about the size of that propane tank or more information about what that means, please feel free to reach out to us. Shoot us an email, give us a call. But the rest of our galley is going to be just like you would see in any other luxury diesel pusher motorhome from Tiffin in this year model. In not only the Pheaton, but the Allegro bus, we're going to have a nice pull-out counter. I love the Corian countertops in this one. And yes, like we talked about, we're going to have a 3-burner propane cooktop. Dual compartment sink right here. Lots of storage drawers and no dishwasher. And I know, no dishwasher, but that's okay with me too, because in the 40IH floor plan, the galley is typically just a smidge shorter because we're putting this half bath in here, and that half bath takes up, well, I don't know, about 4 feet of space. So they have to condense things somewhere. You certainly want a large couch. You want the half bath. You want the king size bed. You want a nice size master bath when we get to the back. But they took out a little bit of the cabinetry. So when you remove the dishwasher, what you gain here is a trash can, and a set of drawers right here. Because at the end of the day, folks, storage is the key for any motorhome. And if you haven't heard that before, you'll hear me say it many, many times. Storage is a very, very huge factor in any motorhome, especially if you're going to go out and spend a lot of time, whether it be part-time living or full-time living in your coach. Storage is the key. And to round out the galley, we're going to have a Sharp carousel convection microwave oven. Just next to the refrigerator here is going to be an extremely nice sized full pantry. Very well built with real solid wood. It's going to hold a lot of canned goods, boxed goods, cereals. Just like you would expect to find in most Tiffin motorhomes, you're going to find a Maytag French door refrigerator with water and ice in the door. This coach just arrived here at Soul Motor Coach and is very clean, in extremely good shape. It needs a detail. I mean, but the carpets, everything, you can tell that this coach is very well cared for. It's clean, it's presentable, very, very nice. Just across from the refrigerator is going to be our Spider control panel. It's going to be a whole house control system. We're going to go over that here in just a second, but just behind this door is going to be our half bath. Really don't need to explain much in here other than tell you, as always, it's so important to have a window, a vent with a fan, and of course we have a foot pedal flush porcelain toilet. It looks like they opted for the little sprayer. The next thing I want to do is show you this Spider control system. We're only going to spend just about a half a minute on it or so, but I do want to show you the features of it. I think it's awesome. I'll tell you this much, Spider control systems, I deal with all different kinds of luxury motorhomes. The Spider control systems are some of my favorite. We have the least amount of issues with these, and they're extremely user-friendly. Very simple system to use and operate. Let me stretch the camera out here so you can see. We have a lighting page. You can turn on and off all your lighting, not only inside the coach, but also on the outside. Go back to our home screen. You can see we have our controls for our heated floors, our water heater, electric and gas. We can have a turn on our auto generator start feature. We can turn our generator on from here as well. And we can start and stop our inverter. Going over to the next screen is a continuation of that lighting screen. Then we can see our batteries, what's going on with our voltage. We also have an emergency management system. That's huge. You can watch some videos on that. Again, we can start and stop our generator from here as well. And the temperature, we do have 3 roof air conditioners. It looks like the front, actually, look at this. It looks like all 3 have heat pumps in them as well. So those are going to be 15K air conditioners, all with heat pumps. And the last section here is the gear button. This is where you're going to control your fans. Also all of your or not all of your slides, but your 2 rear slides. And this is the highlight of the 40IH floor plan with a king size bed. One thing of note, next to the bed here, you're going to have 2 different control centers. One here that's going to control some of the lighting and some of the main systems in the coach. But here, this is a whole house computer control system. There is an update available from Spider Controls that's going to give you a screen that looks very similar to what you find right here. So we will do that update for you at no charge. But besides that, you're going to find a window on both sides of the bed and lots of storage and drawers and cabinetry. Really nice set of drawers, my favorite laundry hamper, entertainment center, and another smart LG television. Of course, we should never leave out the window. All right, here's the money shot, folks. This is why you buy the 40IH, because of the flat floor slide, or flat floor all the way throughout the entire coach. As you notice, from very front, there is no step up. And I know you're thinking, well, why is that a good thing? Well, there's no step up, but it does 2 things for you. The first thing it does is that you don't have to step up into the rear bathroom, and it saves your headroom. It allows you to have a better shower with more headroom, so you don't have to step up into that rear bathroom and have a shower and your head's doing this when you're trying to take a shower. I'm only 5'11". I'm probably shrinking as I get older. Having more headroom is never a bad thing, and this coach never lacks in headroom. One of my favorite things they ever did with this floor plan is exactly what you see here, that flat floor. No step up, no tripping, none of that stuff. I absolutely love the vanity back here with tons of storage. Again, storage is key. Beautiful backsplash, that same Corian. Double medicine cabinets, and this massive one-piece molded fiberglass surround shower with a built-in seat. Folks, absolutely nothing wrong with the Corian showers, but this one-piece molded fiberglass surround shower, you never have to worry about it leaking. It is just one piece, no seams to contend with. Next to the shower is going to be our Tecma Power Flush toilet where that same heated tile floor continues throughout. And you'll notice here, they just did a fantastic job with the tile work, and you know, integrating that engine shroud. And opening our closet door, we do have a 3/4 length closet with a safe, and everything is just in beautiful shape. Plenty of hanging, everything you can imagine. What luxury motorhome would be complete without a washer and dryer center? I think it's almost a necessity at this point. The way that we're using as a society, the way we're using our Class A motorhomes, and whether we full-time live or we part-time live, we really need washers and dryers in our motorhome. So definitely checks that box. Now folks, normally I talk in the video about our process, how we operate here at Soul Motor Coach. If you're interested in learning more about how we operate, what we're going to do to this coach to get it ready for you, because I think our process is second to none, please stay tuned. We'll link a video down below. You may have to fast forward to the end of that video. Usually the last 10 or 12 minutes I talk about our process, how we operate, but we're trying to do a faster, quicker, under 10-minute video on these, so I'm not going to go through and add 10 or 12 minutes of our process. I think it's important to learn our process. So if you're interested in doing business with Soul Motor Coach, look in the description below. We're going to link a video where you can fast forward to the end of that video to be able to see exactly what our process is, what we're going to do to this coach to get it ready for you, financing, pricing, trade-ins, all that stuff. Or you can just simply give us a call. I'll be happy to discuss it with you. I think our process and the way we operate is second to none. Also, any dealer that you're going to do business with, please check their reviews, folks. Jump on Google, type in Soul Motor Coach. Proof is in the pudding. See what other people are saying about us. I think it's a huge part of buying any Class A luxury diesel motorhome. In fact, it's a part of buying anything. You should check the reviews of that dealer to see what they're all about.